There's an old adage that says you can't have your cake and eat it too. And that may be true for a lot of things. Take garbage collection, for example. You're a municipality with a limited amount of funds to spend on garbage trucks, so naturally, you want the most bang for your buck. Your residents have their 90-gallon containers that are perfect for automated collection, but then they want a solution for their bulk waste. You know, Aunt Marge's old refrigerator, or the roll of shag carpet that came out of the man cave. Neither one of those items are going into the automated side loader. So municipalities send out what? Their second truck. You know, the one for bulk collection, odds and ends, brush, etc. If only there was one truck that did it all. Well, for any fleet owners watching, there's a solution, because there is one truck that can do it all. The Heil MultiPack. It's been in our fleet for a few years now, and quite frankly, we haven't done the best job in bringing it to your attention. You see, with the MultiPack, our engineers simply listened to our customers like you that wanted the best of a rear loader and a side loader. So we took the hopper of the Heil 5000 and attached it to the back end of the Heil DuraPack Python automated side loader. Now sure, we teased the engineers with calls to release the Kraken when we first saw the drawings, but when we saw the prototype en route, we knew that we had created something that would solve the problems of two trucks being needed to handle one route. The MultiPack's Python arm can take on any automated route with ease. And when the homeowner leaves the old mattress or tired chest of drawers on the curb, the MultiPack Heil 5000 tailgate jumps into action and handles the bulk waste without blinking an eye. And we're the only garbage truck manufacturer to offer one. So if you're a municipality with a limited budget or a fleet seeking to maximize your productivity while minimizing your spend, talk to your nearest Heil dealer about the Heil MultiPack. Since 1901, Heil has been building refuse products like the MultiPack that have defined how trash is collected, packed, and dumped. And trust me when I say that we're only just getting started. We are the Heil company, and we never stop working for you.